In this video, I will show you how to fix games not using NVIDIA GPU or dedicated graphics driver. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Windows device. So on your Windows device, go ahead and right click on your screen. So once you right click on your screen, this will pop. So click on display settings. Now, once you're on the display settings, go ahead and scroll down into the display settings. Now click on graphics settings, and then in here, go ahead and select the application to where you want to use the NVIDIA GPU or dedicated graphics driver. So simply click on the application. From the app list on the left side, under it, click on options, and then in here, select high performance. So this will allow you to use NVIDIA GPU or dedicated graphics driver for that specific game that you selected, and that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.